Hello, my name is Dr. Arsenio Mesa. I'm an occupational therapist and the proud program director for the Occupational Therapy Assistant Program here at Keiser University in Pembroke Pines. Occupational therapy is really this integration of art and science to improve the function and independence of people across the lifespan.
Occupational therapy is definitely important because a lot of people don't know what we do.
Sometimes they confuse us with physical therapy.
And occupational therapy is focused on helping people of all ages to be able to participate in activities within their daily lives that you may find easy to do, but somebody else can find difficult.
We do our day-to-day occupations, going to school, work, dressing yourself,
brushing your teeth, driving, going to work, anything to do within their leisure activities.
We help everybody do those things so that they can have meaningful and purposeful lives.
It's very important to let people know how helpful we can be for clients or patients.
Occupational therapy is an amazing profession. It creates an opportunity for people to come together to help others. The reason why we all go into this profession is often because we want to help people and because we get this opportunity to make a difference in people's lives.
As OTAs and our OTRs, we help individuals regain independence and reach their maximum potential. We're advocates for that, and I believe that it's something that as individuals we need. We need to be able to live as independent as possible and reach our maximum potential to be able to live our everyday lives.
Knowledge is power, and the more knowledge that you have, the more aware you are of safety when it comes to the client. And at the end of the day, the patient is our number one priority, and that's something that I've learned here.
You need to understand that every person is unique, so maybe what works for one person is not what it's going to work with the other one. So you need to be constantly trying new things, and definitely you're gonna find something that's gonna work.
Our premier educational institution prepares aspiring practitioners for today's dynamic healthcare environment, led by our commitment to fostering an innovative learning environment that is rooted in our student-first philosophy.
This program, I will have to say, all hands on deck. Each professor will go out of their way, will go above and beyond to go ahead and help you out, no matter what it is.
The people here are amazing, and definitely Keiser is known for, Pembroke Pines is known for occupational therapy. So I wanted to be able to have that experience and being known as far as when I go out into a work field. I come from Keiser Pembroke Pines. It's something great to talk about.
It's a really good program. Everyone's very close and tight-knit together, so that kind of helps you because it kind of creates like a family aspect of the program from the day you start until even the moment that you leave the program. We've heard so much great things about how as OTAs everyone knows everyone, so it stays like that family.
We have all created close relationships with each other, and they are honestly my best friends. I see them every day, so of course.
I'm extremely proud to be a Keiser University student, and I'm beyond proud to say that I am part of the OTA program.